The SOLIDWORKS costing tool was first introduced last year to help estimate the manufacturing costs of sheet metal and machine components. A great new capability in SOLIDWORKS 2013 costing is support for turned parts. In addition to plate and block, you now have a cylinder stock material. The software then automatically detects all of the turning type operations such as inner and outer diameter turns and grooves. What's really neat is that any milling or hole operations are also detected, so you can automatically account for operations over multiple machines for a given part. You now also have incredible flexibility in configuring setup costs. Simply drag and drop one or more setup costs between setup operations to group the tasks based on your specific machining sequence. Enhancements have also been made to milling operations, with the addition of volume operations to account for exterior part milling, in addition to the regular pocket and hole feature detections. You now also have the ability to designate if hole features are drilled or milled. Either right-click and change the machine, or drag and drop between operations and then pick the desired tool size. SOLIDWORKS 2013 costing delivers even more fidelity in estimating your manufacturing costs.